Where do I go now?
Oh, now you're asking for advice. Weren't so eager to listen while driving outside with no plan, preparation, or support, were you? Just kidding. It was really cool what you did. And it saved us time. And I hate waiting and planning.
Where's Mitra?
Out of range. Finding him out here is going to be a little bit complicated. Just go for a ride. I need to get my bearings before I can come up with a plan.
The road is closed.
Yeah, I see. There's got to be a way to get through.
There better be. What am I looking for?
Some kind of switch or something. I don't know. What the hell?
I don't like this.
Watch out! Kill it! Oh my god, don't kill it!
What?
Kill it softly!
What does that even mean?
Gently! Where are you going? Get back there! I need samples!
Don't worry. I've got a feeling we're gonna need a whole lot of them.
Watch out!
What's that?
I don't know, jump!
How is the bike still working?
I think it only affects biological material.
I don't have much of that.
But whatever it is you have, you wouldn't have it anymore.
True.
Do you like killing?
Is this some sort of test?
Not at all. I'm just curious.
I don't seek violence.
Not what I asked.
The road is closed here too.
That's actually kind of weird. Seriously though, it looks like they know what they're doing. Setting up traps, closing the road. Ashore seems to really have taken over the outside in a way. You really need to be careful. We're on their turf now.
And use its sensors.
Huh. I feel like I shouldn't be mentioning all of these locked gates at this point, but the amount of effort put into doing that is just crazy.
They won't stop me.
Bet. tower in the distance might have what we need.
How do you know?
I mean, look around. That's the only building I can see that looks kind of normal. Somebody's accessed this antenna recently.
How recently?
2 hours ago. Either we're on Meter's track, or the outside is much more crowded than we thought.
What was he doing?
No way to tell, but the dish was pointing towards the tower.
This doesn't make sense.
Maybe he wanted to call us and apologize about the mess he made. Or maybe they just used it to communicate with each other. Or maybe they used it to spy on us. It's hard to tell, and it's too late to worry about that anyway.
You got his location?
Not quite, but I do have the general direction. Well, that's that. Let's keep going. I'll guide you towards the signal.